All right. So the weight continues to drop, which is a very good sign that it is not gonna fluctuate back up, at least in a crazy amount. And I'm also seeing the changes in the mirror. So another good sign, obviously. Today's a leg day. I'm a little bit late today as well. So I'm gonna head to gym like a little bit later than usual. There might be more people, but what can we do? So I'm gonna have my breakfast and then I'll see you guys at the gym. All right, week 5 is almost over. Another leg day, the difficult one. It's a little bit late today. Well, I mean, as I said, I arrived a little bit late. It's like 10 a.m. right now. So there's not so many people, but usually it gets crowded like after half an hour or an hour or so. So I'm gonna have to start like right away so that I can finish like a little bit early, all right? So I'm gonna be doing warm-ups and then on to dumbbell walking lunges. So I did walking lunges without protection. So I'm gonna put the belts on now. I'm recording vertical, by the way, because they moved some of the machines here, so I don't have that angle to actually film it like horizontally, so this is why I'm shooting vertical. Don't think that I'm mistakenly filming vertical, okay? So for the hex squats, I'm still gonna be increasing the weight. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to perform it, but we'll see, okay? So I'm moving up the weight to 90 pounds on each side, okay? So 180 pounds, basically. So we'll see how it goes, all right? Because last week I did it with 80 pounds and I was able to do okay. So with 90 pounds, I wanna see how it is. Although the gym is a little bit warmer than last week. So I feel like I'm like having a hard time catching my breath. But we'll see how it goes, all right? Of back extensions, I moved to abductors now because it's gonna get occupied soon. So I want to get this over with before, you know, it's occupied, and then I'm gonna move on to back extensions. Alright, done for the day. I'll see you guys back at recap, right? Hey guys, so another recap. I've lost a little bit weight, 0.2 kilos, which is about like 0.5 pounds compared to yesterday. Everything's going really good. I've completed my leg training today, finally. Even though I'm in my 5th week now, I was still able to increase the weight on hack squats a little bit, right? And then my reps are also like quite okay. So I did like 16 reps or so, 16, 17, 16, I think, like that's how I ended the set. So compared to like previous weeks, in terms of both weight and reps, I'm still able to perform like the way I want things to be. So things are going really well. Hope it's the same for you too, if you're following this program like to the T. This is basically where I want you to be as well, all right? So tomorrow is pull day. It is gonna mark the end of week 5, and then we are gonna finally come to our final week of week 6. Now I'm kind of at a stage where the difference from day to day in terms of my physique is like very visible. So that's why like I started posting like more pictures on Instagram. Today also I posted one, I don't know if you've seen it, but yeah, it's like it's getting a little bit more visible basically. And now also there is a difference of like, for example, like holding water, not holding water, and this kind of stuff also affect the way your body looks basically when you're coming to a certain leanness level. All right, but I mean, it's not too important right now. Tomorrow's a pull day. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right.